Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Wherever you are, welcome to the new video. In today's showcase, I will show how to add this kind of weather custom module to the Waybar. It is very straightforward and easy to use. Many people create a custom scripts or complicated things and think that it's a too complicated thing to do, but it's not. I will show you in a moment. So if we were to enter this website www.in, you can clearly see that it takes my IP address and fetches the weather for this and shows more days and things like that. Now it's just the GitHub repo of the project that we're gonna use today. It's very good. To add it to your Waybar, go to the position where you want to add it. In my case, it's modules dash right here, and then we go and add custom weather widget here, and then we go here and describe our widget class weather exec, which will be the command to exec, and curl dash s vttrn in my case, which is Zach. And if we were to paste that command into a regular terminal, it would give us the weather in the locations that we described. For example, you can easily put New York here and it will fetch the New York weather. You can add a sunny emoji to see the weather. Let's go and add it. And then you can set a new font, new icon right here taken from the Nerd Fonts, and you can remove it. P-kill Waybar ampersand disown to reload it, and then you get the idea. I think you can go new plus your, and it will show an emoji that describes the current weather in the location that you type. Pretty, yeah. Just Las Vegas, for example, it's sunny 0, or you can search Chicago, it's foggy 0. So I think you get the idea. You can add it here. I will paste the code block in the description down below, so you can freely copy it to your Waybar configuration. It was a short video, but I think you get the idea how to do this stuff on Waybar. So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment and like, and share it to your friends. Goodbye.